So you can see that this data is there in C2. So if I just, put my cursor over here, you can see the address is C2. So this entire thing is there in C2. If I click on here, D2 is actually empty. E2 is also empty. Okay, F2 is also empty. Basically, there's nothing in these, cells. But then for you, it is looking as if, it is extended from C2 to F2. Although there is E2, E2 and F2. Okay. So clear on this one?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can also, increase or decrease the size like this. Okay. This can be increased. This can be decreased. Okay. So you can just click on this one and then increase and decrease the cell size. Now, I was telling you about this. Okay. And then what else do we have? And then we have this, if you want, this is by default, it is going to be general. Okay. By default, you can see that it is going to be general. Okay. So this is, you can see that we have the names over here and we have the marks. So what I'll do is, okay, so we have the ID, we have the name, and we have the marks. Okay. So this ID is the ID of the students. This is the name of the students, and this is the marks. Now you can see that this is already aligned. Okay. So you see that, this is in the center. All of them are in or properly aligned. Okay. And then we have the marks. Everything is aligned. So everything is in center. Okay. Shall we continue with conditional formatting? So here you can see, now formatting, we have already seen what is formatting, right? Suppose, if I want, let's say, this is formatting. So I want to give some, change this text, okay? And maybe, something like this, okay? And then I want to make this bold, italic, or maybe, I'm just putting some kind of condition, some kind of formatting word, okay?